Hey families, this week's at-home PE fundamental is the forwards roll. The key things to remember are hand shoulder width apart, tuck your chin onto your chest, and try and roll onto the back of your head and onto your shoulders. Check out these more detailed pointers on doing your forwards roll. To help you keep your chin tucked to your chest, you could try putting a beanbag or a little piggy like this under your chin. If you have a wedge or a hill handy, that can help you practice as well as you roll down the hill. Remember, hand shoulder width apart, tuck your chin to your chest, round your back, and off you go. Check out these videos of my daughter rolling on the weekend. Alright, have fun guys.